omnipotence. This is the true nature of Aiden's charm power. A divine power that even she can't control. Because of that, Boruto position in Kawaki's have been reversed.